Hey, everybody, and welcome to another episode here at Tribal Trades, the daily show coming at you from the great state of Florida. One hell of a drug. And wherever you are tuning in from around the world, I want to welcome you to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Where are you? Are you where you're meant to be at this stage of the cycle? Where are we possibly heading next? And certainly we're going to then look at the charts as well. Now, you know what I'm going to say next before we jump into the news and the charts. Smash that like. This helps get this content out to more people and does help support the channel. And I really do appreciate all the kind words of encouragement that people do leave in the comments. I do read and respond to every single one of them. And of course, all the questions that get left in the comments as well. I do look to get back to those as soon as I'm able to. Some of them take a little bit longer to get back to than others, so please be patient. I do respond to every single one of those questions. Okay, we have the cheat sheet below in the description, and I have entries and take profits on cryptos and stocks. I have some swing trades in there as well. I have links to all the different exchanges. I'm getting asked quite a lot where to buy all these different tokens, and I have all the exchanges where you can buy them actually listed next to the coin on the cheat sheet. And then I have another area on the cheat sheet which has links, which has all the links and how to get signed up for these different exchanges. And then also I have a free education area as well as free airdrops. And of course, the link for the Discord. How can I forget the link to the Discord? The most amazing Discord on the planet is below in the description and also in the cheat sheet video as well. And you can get signed up and join me in the Stocks with Josh Discord. I'm in the crypto channel on a daily basis, interacting with an amazing community in there. Now, as you know, for the last few weeks, I've been conducting one-on-one trainings with many of you who emailed in expressing interest. I would like to say that those spots are now all full. However, I have gone through the entire wait list and emailed everybody on there. So if you didn't get a reply from me, it's going to be sitting in your spam or your junk folder, okay? And so what I did promise was that anybody who wanted, so all the regular weekly, bi-weekly, monthly training sessions, they are all full, okay? So, but what I did say, what there is still opportunity for is if you would like to book a one-off, one-on-one training session before we step in to what should be the most parabolic part of the bull run. Okay, so if you're wanting to do that, there is an email address at the top of the description here. You'll email me. This way, no scammers can impersonate, because you'll know exactly what the email address is, and the scammers don't know what your email address is. And of course, when I reply, it'll have what you originally sent me in the email, so we can make it all very safe and secure. Okay, so if you email me on that email address, and then I will reply to you and send you details. And of course, if you're emailing me for this paid one-on-one session, you're not committing to it. You're just wanting more information, and I'll send you more information and you can decide from there. Now, anybody who emails in, also, I put you on the wait list if you want to be considered for if any of those other training spots do open up. I do have some people that I have done sessions with who have indicated that they are going to take one of those spots but have not confirmed that. So if any one of those have indicated, yes, I want to take one of the spots but have not yet signed up and locked that down, they were to relinquish that, then I will go to the next person on the list for that, okay? So there's an opportunity for one-on-one training, still a paid one-on-one training, just a one-off session. I did promise that if anybody did send an email, that I would provide that opportunity. Email below is in the description. send me an email. Let me know, hey, I'm interested in having that one-on-one paid session with you. Please send me more details and I'll get that over to you. And then you'll also be added to the wait list for any of those other ongoing training, I should call them, spots that we have currently going. Okay. All right. We're going to jump into some news. And Bitcoin, are you where you're meant to be? Where are you, Bitcoin? Where are we in the cycle right now? Well, as we can see, and I do like Rick Capital, he is I feel like he's the 4-year cycle guru in my opinion, all right? And you can see here that we are exactly where we're meant to be here. And we're starting to climb up here, and we're still where we're meant to be. However, we should start to move up soon. So we are at the moment of decision in the market, where October usually is the month where we begin to move upwards, and then by November, December, we should have some pretty good gains there. So Bitcoin for now is where it's meant to be. Where are you, Bitcoin? You're where you're meant to be for now. And hopefully we'll see that. Certainly between now and the end of the month is where we're looking for that Bitcoin to make that decisive move, okay? And certainly if we look, you don't think that this market is heavily manipulated, think again. Bitcoin hit 68K and somebody sold 600 million in USD in one clip. Just like, oh, no, you're not. No, you're not, Bitcoin. You're not going higher than 68. You're not going higher than 68. And so we're below 68. And we're going to look at the charts in a moment, but you can just see how heavily manipulated that is. And then again, we can see we're still really struggling to break above here. We do need to get to the 68K level and have a break and a retest above that for continuation to the upside. So 68K is clearly the line in the sand and clearly the line that the market is being manipulated to stay below for now. So we are running out of time. If you want to collect your alts and your other coins that you're looking to buy, there's been a little bit of a dip. This could be the last opportunity. Maybe there'll be one more flush that will get a little bit more fear in there to drop us down, get a little bit more red, some blood in the streets, and we might get a lower opportunity than is here. I've just been nibbling at the moment, as Josh would say. I've just been nibbling away at some trades, waiting to see the market direction there. And of course, have to be careful with Tesla. What are you doing? He's moved Bitcoin. We don't know if they're shuffling, some internal shuffling, or they're looking to sell, or just looking to spook the market by moving some of the Bitcoin around, and people might think that they're selling and panic sell. What are you doing? You don't want to be like the Germans. The Germans sold at the bottom. What are you doing? I mean, historically, when Bitcoin has been on or around the 200 EMA on the daily, which is at 60K, so only a little bit above that, has been a tremendous buying opportunity for Bitcoin, not a tremendous selling opportunity for Bitcoin. So let's hope that they know what they're doing and they're just shuffling some things around. Certainly, even if they sold, the impact would be slightly more than half of the German government's. We'll just see what shakes out with that. But certainly that did kind of reverberate around the market yesterday. Didn't really see Bitcoin impacted by that. We'll see what shakes out with Tesla there. All right, let's jump into the charts and we can see 68K got firmly rejected. We didn't get to it. There are some liquidations there. So maybe it was somebody not wanting to get liquidated that pushed the market down there. But there are liquidations at 68K. So if the market was to get up to the tribal trades trend line number 2 up the top, we have broken through this one. But okay, so if we look here, what do we got? We've got a break here, and it's a good break. Now, a retest down to 63,500 would be an area where the 200 simple moving average is. So if I was going to see a pullback, that's going to be the area. That's going to be the entry right now, okay? So I've been giving these entries here for many months, okay? So if you didn't load up, then I don't know. I don't know. There was just all the way from July, we had opportunities. We had another one in August. We had another one in September. We had another one here where I gave entries at the two. People were saying, oh, we're going down to 52 and 53 and 47. I'm like, we haven't even lost the 200 EMA on the daily, okay? And so, of course, I gave entries here. I gave another entries here. And then I said, we want to trade it up to here. So the first trade that we took was to here to take profit there. We got back in the trade here. We got back up to here where we were able to take, this is TP1. So you wouldn't have closed the position. You would have actually TP1'd up here. We had a small pullback, and then we've really shot up here. And as you can see, the tribal trades trend line, I did say the time that I felt that would be broken to the upside was by the end of October. And I said that all the way back here. And I drew these trend lines. That would be the case, and we have broken above it. So my prediction there has come to pass, that even with all the fear that was down here, I felt confident that we would break to the upside before the end of the month, and we absolutely have done that. And now we're looking to break this other trend line here, which can happen anytime between now and the end of the year. That was the other prediction that I had there, and I think that one is going to happen as well. So where are we looking to the upside here? We're still making, so we have made a micro level, we're making higher highs this way, okay? We're making higher highs, right? But if you zoom out, we're still making some lower highs here. And so this is the level to break. The level that we need to break is this level right here. It's this candle. This is the candle. This is the one that we need. It's sitting at 70,080. So basically, if we break above 70,000, we are going to break this situation here, this downtrend here. So that's what I'm looking at. And that's what we need to get above is this candle here. And that would create, look, this is bullish. Don't get me wrong. This is very bullish, but to break out of this flag pattern that we have here, which is a bullish flag, a bullish pennant, okay, we need to break above $70,080. So 71, if we hit 70,100 or 70,200, that's what I'm looking for there, okay, to the upside. And that's looking at the next level. And there will be a lot of liquidations at this level. And there is a lot, there's going to be a lot of action when we get up to here, let me tell you. All right, so 68 is the first level that we need to breach. We need a break and a retest above 68. So I'm looking for a break and a retest above. First of all, we've got a break here of the first tribal trade trend line. And these lines are coming together, by the way. So we're going to get to a point where really we just want to break above both and a retest above this trend line here at about 68,500. We can get a break there and a retest. We're almost certain then to head up to that 70,000 level where we are going to break officially out of this. We'll be broken out of this here, so that would be a break. But certainly for confirmation, we want that $70,100 level that we want to get above. Okay, and of course to the downside, if we did lose the simple moving average here at 63. Around 63,500. We've got the 50-day moving average at 61,170 and the 200 EMA on the daily at 60,500 there. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for today. Hope you enjoyed the show. And until the next episode, which is the altcoin show, which is coming up in a couple of hours, happy trading.